This is day 23 after the CO2 laser. And anytime I have to wear any type of makeup for like a photo shoot or anything, the day I take it off, and then after it just hurts. It doesn't feel great. And so that's just, I highly recommend going completely no makeup as much as you can. That would be a recommendation if you do the CO2 laser. Okay, day 23, I'm actually up here at the cabin, and I am seeing a lot of redness, but it's also very dry up here in the mountains. And so this is the redness on day 23 post CO2 laser. You can definitely tell the difference in my natural skin tone and the red in my face. Some of you may have missed, I've actually got photos. I have actually daily photos of what this girl just went through.